filled in my eyebrows, and now I'm gonna just put some concealer on my eyelids so that my eyeshadows will show up brighter, because I'm gonna be using like colors. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I think I'm gonna do like pink and red. It's Valentine's Day, why not? Right? Take this pink right here. That right there. And I'm going to use that as my transition color. Would you let me call you my girl, my girlfriend, my girlfriend? I can give you the life you deserve. Just say the word, baby. Okay guys, I'm missing a nail. Don't judge me, please. This is the next color I'm using. This is from Colourpop. It's called Seize the Day. So I'm gonna add this to my crease. But I fell off so bad from my skincare. Like, I haven't even been washing my face before bed, like, which is disgusting. It's just like I don't care right now. I don't know why. I'm just adding this just to the crease part, that part of my eye. I'm gonna just take that first brush with that first color to make sure it's nice and blended. So I just took some of that same concealer I used in the beginning on a flat concealer brush, and I'm gonna just use it to carve out the inner 2/3 of my eye. So I'm gonna stop maybe about right here. I'm just gonna carve it out to do like a cut crease kind of thing. So give you the life you deserve. Just say the word, and I got you. Hey, darling, I got you. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. They don't know your worth. If they don't know your worth, kick that man straight to the. Not bad, sis. Right. It's called Crush. It's like a pearly pink corally color. If they don't know, they don't know. 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 So I'm gonna use a smudger brush. I made such a mess with that shimmery eyeshadow. I had to start putting it on with my finger because the brush just was not hitting. I don't know what happened, but yeah, I'm just gonna apply this to the outer corner and right on the outer corner, just pressing it right on top of that pink. Again, I'm gonna get close. Bring it into my lash line. Color Tease. I'm gonna use that color. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Tell them you're my girl, and anything you want is yours. Oh yeah, passion burning, causing rapture of laughter. Pressure building, falling faster and faster. If I told you, not the tag showing in the back. Passing. Anyway, so this is my Valentine's Day makeup look. It's pink overload. Like, I never wear this much pink, but I love it. I hope you guys love it. And if you do love it, make sure you give it a like or a comment or subscribe or something. Alright, bye guys.